Vdraw's AI Flowchart generator is the latest game-changing tool you need to know about, and in this review, I'll be breaking down 7 crucial things you need to understand before you dive in. Whether you're a marketer, designer, or business owner, this AI software could drastically change the way you approach creating flowcharts and diagrams. Stick around till the end because I've got a surprise for you, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before we get into the details, you can try out Vdraw's AI Flowchart generator completely free through the first link below. Now, let's dive in. First off, what makes Vdraw's AI Flowchart generator stand out from other flowchart tools? It's simple. It's AI-powered automation. While most traditional flowchart tools rely on templates or manual input, Vdraw's software can generate complex custom flowcharts based on just a few basic instructions you provide. Whether it's for a business process, a user flow, or a decision tree, Vdraw does all the heavy lifting for you. The interface is incredibly intuitive. You don't need to be a designer or have any technical skills to create professional-looking flowcharts. With its drag-and-drop functionality and AI-driven suggestions, even beginners can create intricate diagrams in minutes. This makes it perfect for anyone who needs to save time but doesn't want to compromise on quality. Another big selling point is the customization options. Once Vdraw generates your flowchart, you can fully customize every element: colors, shapes, text, everything. Whether you're using it for business presentations, marketing materials, or product development, you can ensure it fits your brand's style and aesthetic. The versatility is impressive and goes beyond the basic template you'll find in other flowchart tools. Now, let's talk about integrations. Vdraw's AI Flowchart generator doesn't work in a vacuum. It easily integrates with other platforms you may already use. Whether it's Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, or even your project management software, you can export your flowcharts directly or embed them where you need them. This level of integration makes it perfect for team collaboration, especially in a digital workspace. But what about accuracy? One thing I absolutely love about this software is its precision. The AI doesn't just generate random diagrams, it understands the logic behind what you're trying to convey and creates a flowchart that makes sense. For example, if you're mapping out a complex customer journey, Vdraw's AI will help you visualize it in a way that's easy to follow, ensuring that every decision point, action, and outcome is clearly defined. Another reason to consider this software: the speed. Vdraw can generate detailed flowcharts in seconds. If you've ever spent hours manually designing a flowchart, this will feel like a major time saver. Whether you're in a hurry or simply need to streamline your process, this AI tool lets you get the job done in record time. Lastly, let's talk pricing. While you can try the AI Flowchart generator for free through the link below, Vdraw offers a subscription plan that gives you access to even more advanced features. If you're using it regularly for business or need access to premium features like unlimited chart generation and priority support, their pricing structure is very reasonable for the value you get. If you've been frustrated by other flowchart tools that either require too much manual work or limit your creative options, Vdraw's AI Flowchart generator might be exactly what you've been looking for. From its intuitive interface to its AI-driven automation, it's designed to make your life easier, saving you time and helping you create professional results. And finally, after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've gathered a list of my top recommendations in the description below. Feel free to check them out for free and you might just find your next favorite tool. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to try Vdraw's AI Flowchart generator and take your workflow to the next level.